Roy Chaudhary Academy welcomes to all the students, and I think we are going well. Our faculties will do their best to teach the students who are preparing for jobs. Today's class is about ratio proportion, how to calculate ratio and proportion. This is the first class. If the class is interested to the student, then it will be continue. We will start now. Thank you.
In job recruitment exam, I think you will watch this type of question that is given A is to B equal to 2 is to 3 and B is to C equals to 5 is to 7. Then find A is to B is to C and some options are given there. So we can easily calculate by using these tricks A, B and C. And now write this form 2 is to 3 AB and B is to C 5 7. And then easily multiply 5 to the 10 and 3 5 is 15, 3 7 21. It will multiply by this something. Oh, these two are divided by 5, but we are not getting 3 digits divided by 5. So this is our answer in the single line math. Okay, 10 is to 15 is to 20, 21 is answer of A is to B is to C. By using these tricks, you can easily solve 3-digit type of problem. I will go for the 4 A, B, C, D and another A, B, C, D, E. I will teach this in this class, these 3 types of tricks. Okay. Now we go for the 4-digit problem A, B, C, D. How to calculate the ratio in between A, B, C, D, where the A is to B, B is to C and C is to D are given. Write easily like past from A, B, C, D. AB 2 is to 3, BC 4 is to 3 and CD is 2 is to 5. So now we can easily calculating by multiplying this rule. A is 2 4 2, 2 4 2. This is our A and B is 3 3 and 2. 4 is to 3. I write 2 is to 3, 4 is to 3, C is to D, 2 is to 5. Okay. So 3 4 2. 3 into 4 into 2 is our B. And C is 3 3 2. 3 3 2. C. And the last one D is 3 3 5. 3 3 5. This is the easy trick. 16 is to 24 is to 18 is to 45. So this is our answer 16, 24, 18, 45. These 3 digits are divided by the same digit, but this is not, that's why this is our answer. Another are going for A, B, C, D, E. Now go for the 5th term. In this math, we need to find the answer of A, B, C, D, E. There is a 5 term. So now same A, B, C, D, E. 1 digit is extra. A is to B, 1 is to 2. B is to C, 3 is to 4. C is to D, 2 is to 3. And D is to E, 3 is to 4. Now we calculate A, B, C, D, E. A is coming from 1, 3, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 3, 2, 3 is our A. 1, 3, 2, 3. Okay, this line is our answer 1, 3, 2, 3. Another is our B is 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, understand the line 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, is 2, 2, 3, 2, 3. This is our B. For C we need to multiply 2, 4, 3, 2. 2, 4, this 2, 4, 2, 3. Okay, 2, 4, 2, 3. 2, 4, 2, 3. Next for D, 2, 4, 3, 3. Okay, 2, 4, 3, 3. 2433. Next for E. E is the last one. 2434 from the upside. 2434. 2434. So answer is 18 is to 36 is to 48 is to 9 6 6 Okay, this is our answer. 3 is to 6 is to 8 is to 12 is to 16. So by using this tricks we can easily calculate the ratios given of 3 digit, 4 digit or 5 digit ABC, ABCD, ABCDE. Okay, I think it will helpful for you. Thank you for being us.
Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like and share. Roy Chaudhary Academy appreciate all the students' motivation who are preparing nowadays also. Though there is a lockdown, they don't break out. Okay, please prepare well because after opening the lockdown situation, every government department will conduct their exam and the students will do their best. I think it will help those students who are preparing seriously.